Hey everyone and welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. And if you're new here, my name is Kaylee and I'm a beauty and fashion photographer based near Sydney, Australia. And on this channel, we talk about all things photography related. And in this video today, we're going to be talking about why you don't need any more than 2 lights as a beginner studio photographer. I always feel that when you're in the early learning stages of studio photography, there's always this immense pressure to be learning so much about modifiers, so much about lighting setups, and making sure that you're covering, 1, 2, 3, 6 lighting setups. And I just feel like at this stage of the learning process, it's good to be a little bit more streamlined and simplified with what you want to achieve with your work. And I feel that this video today is going to go through a few tips on how to do this and why you should consider only using 2 lights maximum if you're a beginner in this field. And I think a lot of people as beginners are under the impression that a lot of professional photographers out there will be using 6 and 7 and 8 light setups and more. But I'm here to tell you today that that's actually not always the case. And it really depends, of course, on what kind of genre of photography you're doing. If you're in the field of commercial photography and you're doing lots of different setups or products, things like that, yes, there may be the need eventually for you to use that many lights. And there are photographers out there that use that many. But I'd say that when we're talking specifically about beauty, portraiture, and fashion, which are the fields that I specialize in, more often than not, you're not going to see any more than about 4 lights on a set at any given time. There will of course always be those exceptions, but for me as a beauty photographer, I barely see any more than 2 lights on a set, to be honest, and that's why I want to talk about 2 lights specifically today and why you should avoid having to go much further than that if you're just starting out. So let's jump straight into the video today and I hope you guys enjoy. The first reason as to why you don't need more than 2 lights as a beginner is the fact that it's simplifying things and you're giving yourself more time to experiment. When you're just starting out with studio lighting, it's really good to stay on that basic kind of level for a little while. It's good to experiment and see how setups with 1 to 2 lights actually work and how you can guide the light and alter the light. And the best way to do that is to simplify things. And I think having under 2 lights on a set is a really good way to go for this. I know that when I first started studio photography, it was very overwhelming to me and I really didn't know where to start with it. And I think 1 to 2 lights is perfect for this because it really simplifies the process overall. And once you start to get used to using those 1 to 2 lights, then you can start to add other lights down the track as you go. But 1 to 2 at the beginning really just helps the whole process feel a lot more simple. The second reason why you don't need more than 2 lights if you're just beginning is that it's actually going to save you a lot of space in a home studio setting. So I know for a lot of us out there, we have our own home studios or we have a space in our homes that we like to use as a studio setting. And this is one of those reasons why you shouldn't have any more than 2 lights to start off with, is that it's really going to save you space. For example, having about 4 lights in my home studio setup would not work. And I don't think it ever would have worked with the spaces that I've had to use. 2 lights are perfect and it's really just giving me enough light to have as my key light and then as my backdrop light. And particularly with closer up portraits for beauty, it's a very simple process as I mentioned in the first point, and you're saving space if you've got a home studio too. And this actually brings me into the next point as well, and that's the fact that having 1 to 2 lights can be a really portable option. For example, if you're just starting out with studio photography and you're having to hire studios, we all know that that can be a costly experience, and sometimes having to hire lighting equipment on top of the space can be really expensive. So by cutting down on costs, it's a really good way to use your lights in the portable sense. And if you've only got 1 to 2 lights, it's going to be a much easier option for you to cut them to the studio that you might be shooting at. So that's another option as to why you may not need any more than 2 lights. Number 4 is that 2 lights are incredibly versatile. I'm stressing this point right now because the amount of combinations I've used of setups and lighting options with just 2 lights has been pretty phenomenal over the years. Like, I still feel like I haven't done all the setups that I could even do with just 2 lights. And I think that what you can do with 1 to 2 lights is very versatile. And many people might not think this is the case. And I think that this is why I think a lot of beginners tell themselves that they need to continuously buy more and more lights, is the fact that they don't feel that 2 lights is versatile enough. And they think that by adding more and more lights, it can be more versatile. Yes, you can obviously come up with many more different lighting combinations, but the times that you may need to use them as a fashion and portrait photographer may not come up as often as you think it will. So again, a 1 to 2 light setup can still be very versatile, and particularly with the modifiers that you're choosing as well, so definitely keep this in mind. I actually talked about in one of my previous videos about the only modifier you need as a beginner for studio photography, and I went in depth about this modifier in this video, so you can find the link for that video down in the description box below if you want to check that out. The 5th reason is that most studio lighting kits for beginners actually come with 2 lights, so that's kind of a bonus if you're looking at saving a bit of money and you're just wanting to get a starter kit with studio lighting, this is a good option because a lot of these kits will come with 1 to 2 lights anyway, so you don't necessarily have to go and add another light or get a more expensive kit overall. So I can definitely say from experience that it is a lot more intimidating as a beginner to start using 6 lights, for example, at one time versus 1 to 2. 1 to 2 was something I started off using in a home studio setting, and I really felt that it allowed me to experiment a lot, and it really helped me to become more comfortable with using studio lighting. By learning how to use just 2 lights and really starting to figure it out and become more confident with that, adding an extra light or 2 down the track wasn't really ever a problem for me in that sense, because I felt confident enough with what I was using currently, and then it was just a matter of trying to add an extra light in here and there where I thought it might need to be placed. So I think that this is a really good and easy, simplified way to start out as a beginner, is just by having 1 to 2 lights. The amount of lighting setups and lighting creations you'll be able to produce with just 1 to 2 lights would probably even shock you once you start to get going. I never really knew how many different lighting combinations I could have with just 1 to 2 lights, and particularly with having certain modifiers attached to those lights that would be considered versatile as well. You can really come up with a lot of different combinations and create a lot of different lighting situations. Alright guys, so I hope this video provided a little bit of insight for any beginners out there who are looking at getting into studio photography. I know that it can be a very overwhelming and intimidating part of the learning journey throughout photography and photography equipment specifically. It can be a really daunting thing to start off with, but I think if you begin with the basics with 1 to 2 lights, it's going to make your process a lot easier overall. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do. I'll be posting a lot more content like this in future. If you'd like to see more videos like this one or more videos on studio photography in general, make sure to let me know in the comments section below so I can add them to my request list. I'm always interested to hear what you guys want to learn about next. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.